Welcome chess fans, get ready for today's 3 exciting chess puzzles featuring some brilliant checkmating tactics. In our first puzzle, we'll see an amazing queen sacrifice leading to a smothered mate as white conquers black's pieces. Here is your clock for 30 seconds. Pause the video if you need additional time. The second puzzle shows a stunning rook sacrifice by black that opens up the key back rank for checkmate. Here is your clock for 30 seconds. Pause the video if you need additional time. Finally, we'll look at great rook and pawn teamwork allowing black to overcome white's stubborn defense. Here is your clock for 30 seconds. Pause the video if you need additional time. Please download Pocket Chess and try the game yourself. See the comments or description section for download instructions.
That's a wrap for today's chess puzzles. If you enjoyed stretching your tactical muscles and want more problems to boost your chess, be sure to subscribe to Brain Drain Chess Channel for a new thinking workout every day. Many are improving their chess daily with the solutions provided on this channel. So don't miss out. Click subscribe and turn on notifications to take your chess to the next level. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.